Hi guys, today I'll be testing your recipes to make slime without using borax or glue to see if they work or not. Some of these recipes are using only 1 or 2 ingredients, so let's get started. Some of you say that you can make slime using clear hand soap, so let's see if it works. Here I added the hand soap, and now let's add the cream of tart. Then add water. Close the lid and let it sit for 1 day in the freezer. This is how the slime looks now, so let's see if it works. Yeah, it kinda works. It's a little bit sticky, but it totally has the slime consistency, and it's even better because it's clear. For the next recipe, let's try out the banana slime. So for this, you obviously are going to need a banana, and now I'm going to smash it using a spoon. I'm going to add cornstarch, and this should give the consistency of slime, so let's see. As you can tell, this recipe was a fail. I don't know how others make slime with bananas, but this is a no for me. A lot of you say that if you mix Bolly glue, but it has to be this brand, and any green dish soap, it creates slime, so let's see if it works. I'm going to put over the glue the soap, and then I'm going to close the container. And then just put it in the fridge for 1 hour. Okay, so let's see if it is a slime yet. Oh my god, it worked! I can't believe you can make slime without using any activator. This is so cool! Oh my god, the next recipe is always a fail for me, but a lot of you say that it works. So for this you will need a hand sanitizer like this one, and then add a lot of paint. Mix it, and then add a little bit of cream of tartar. Mix it again and keep it in the freezer for 1 hour. Okay, let's see. No, see, it's a complete fail. It's all liquid. Okay, let's try this recipe to make butter slime. Add shaving gel, then add a little bit of glue, add a little bit of paint, and a lot of cornstarch. To make it prettier, I added a bunch of glitter. And as you can see, this recipe works, but it doesn't have the stretchy consistency of a slime. This is more like Play-Doh, but it's so relaxing to play with. I love when you guys send me cool recipes to make crunchy slime. Start by putting the clear glue in a bowl and then add a lot of glitter. Now for the activator, you guys say that I use contact lens solution, so I'm going to keep adding until it has the right consistency. We need this a little bit sticky. to make all those satisfying crunchy noises, I'm going to add a lot of perler bits. This recipe is super easy to follow and it's one of the crunchiest slimes ever. This recipe totally works and you have to try it. A lot of you say that I should try the flip slime, so let's see. For this you will need an empty and clean Chobani yogurt container like these ones. And now let's make a regular slime. Add glue, water, sand if you want, paint, and mix it very well. Now for the activator, you guys suggest me to use the Elmer's one, so this is the one that I'll be using. Mix it until you have the right consistency. I love it, it's so stretchy. So now I'm going to put the slime into the bigger side. And I'm going to fill with decorations the other side of the container. And then I'm just going to flip it. I love this idea. It's super fun to make slime this way. This recipe totally works. You have to try it. And now here's a super cool recipe to make slime using only one ingredient. For this you will need this kind of cheese, the tiny cheese that is coated with wax. And this is the part that's going to help us to create slime, so keep as many as you can. You have enough, place them in warm water like I'm doing here. The more you play with them, the more slime consistency it gets. I love it. This recipe totally works using only one ingredient. And those were all the recipes for today's video. If you want me to continue making this series, let me know by giving this video a huge thumbs up. And if you find a weird slime recipe, don't forget to leave that in the comments down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye!